This TikTok user shared this video with the caption, "My Ring door only caught the end of this, but this lasted for a good 20 seconds and there was nobody out there. I was awake and heard all of this. I thought it was a cat fighting until it got louder." This is definitely not the type of Ring camera notification you want to receive while laying in bed at night. This TikTok user writes, "My daughter's friend came over Saturday morning at about 8. When she arrived, there was a woman sitting on the steps, praying with a rosary. We do not know this woman." This Ring doorbell video showcases possible paranormal activity unfolding at night inside this person's house. Ferriman says that his neighbor sent him this video from their Ring doorbell camera. How does this person appear out of nowhere? A TikTok user posted this Ring doorbell footage recorded at night. The uploader is convinced that they managed to film a real-life fairy. This extremely strange doorbell video shows a pizza delivery driver walking up to this customer's house and delivering pizza to them, but not before vigorously sniffing the box. Was dressed as Michael Myers during Halloween and proceeded to destroy all of this person's outdoor decorations. Jackie Foster writes, "This was sent to me by my sister, recorded from her doorbell cam. Listen to the audio and you can hear what sounds like a bang and something growling. The noise has nothing to do with the car driving past. My sister and her fiance sat in their car watching the live feed from their doorbell cam and could see something sitting on the stairs just before the noise. Look at this video of a bunch of kids fooling around with this person's house on Halloween night.
It's very haunted. Fun.
Yeah, it's fucking a little haunted, bro.
Yeah.
A TikToker named Mr. Talon says that he cannot believe the disturbing Ring doorbell video that he captured late one night.
Oh my god. Sorry for farting in your garden. Just look at it.
This shocking piece of footage showcases some truly bizarre and possibly paranormal activity unfolding inside of this person's house. Does this creepy video showcase a ghost captured on somebody's doorbell cam? You decide. Adorable video shows the moment in which this cute puppy learns how to use a doorbell. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. Does this doorbell video document a real-life ghost? Nobody knows for sure, but it's definitely not out of the question. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.